Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your Facebook name to just one name. So let's head over first to Play Store. Then here, just search for Kiwi VPN. Then install. Then once done installing, just open. Then click on Best Location. From here, just scroll down until you see Poland. Click on Connect. Then click on OK. So once we're connected, let's head over to Facebook. Click on the three-line icon. Scroll down, then click on Settings and Privacy. Settings, Personal Details. Click on your profile. Choose the profile. Then click on Name. From here, just change your first name to your preferred name. Then just remove your last name and replace it with a space. And click on Review Change. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily change your Facebook name to just one name. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!